In this video, I'll show you how to set up print on demand with Printify. Start by signing into your Printify account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account and log in. Next, connect your online store by clicking Manage My Stores, then Connect. Choose your e-commerce platform, such as Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or another supported platform, and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. After that, click Catalog and browse the available print-on-demand products, such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, or posters. Now select a product and click Start Designing. Next, upload your design, position it on the product, and customize colors, sizes, and print areas as needed. After that, click Save Product, then choose a print provider based on pricing, production time, and shipping options. Now enter your product title, description, pricing, and other product details. Next, click Publish to send the product to your connected online store. After that, open your store and verify that the product appears correctly with the right images, variants, and pricing. Finally, when a customer places an order, Printify will automatically receive it, produce the product, and ship it directly to your customer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up print on demand with Printify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.